Xiepu winding machine is precisely winding large annular coils. Today, let's take a look at Xiepu's C and Z winding solution specially developed for high-end industrial scenarios. What is being wound in the picture is exactly the core coil of high-power induction heating equipment. You see, the inner diameter of this coil reaches 160 mm, and it is wound radially with 2.5 mm thick copper wire. The difficulty of this process is beyond imagination. At 2.5 mm, wire can no longer be called a wire, it is more like a metal rod with strong resilience. Its difficulties are concentrated in three aspects. First, the huge mechanical stress. It is completely impossible to handle manually, and it must rely on the equipment's strong driving force and rigid structure to overcome. Second, precise tension control. Too small tension will lead to loose wire arrangement, while too large tension will damage the wire, paint or even deform the framework. Third, absolute wire arrangement accuracy. Each turn must be closely attached, and there must be no wire jumping or overlapping, otherwise, it will directly affect the electromagnetic performance of the final product. Xiepu's this equipment is designed to overcome such high-end and highly difficult winding processes. Xiepu and you work together for common benefits.